Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback front no-drill mud flaps on a 2017 Toyota Tundra. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your truck. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. First, identify and remove the factory screws on the inner fender and push pin on the underside of the mud flap, as shown. Remove the factory mudguard and reinstall the factory push pin. Next, take the provided Z-bracket and loosely install it to the inner hole on the mud flap, as shown, using the supplied bolt and stainless steel washer. Secure it with a stainless washer, lock washer, and nut. Install the Z-bracket to the innermost wheel well factory hole using a factory screw. Next, proceed to loosely install the mud flap and plate washer with 2 nylon washers, 2 stainless washers, and 2 stainless screws. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Carefully tighten all screws and double check that the mud flap is still level. Note, do not over-tighten, as over-tightening may strip the plastic factory inserts. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flap kit. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.